go ahead and bring up Commander Jay O'Neill. I'll get you the spelling after this is over, just to have a few words about that.
Thank you, Jose, and thank you to the Hyundai Corporation for their partnership today. Once again, my name is Commander Jay O'Neill with the Glendale Police Department. Back in approximately 2003, we saw in Glendale what was becoming a national trend. We had about a 400% increase in motor vehicle thefts involving Kias and Hyundais between 2022 and 2023. When we saw this trend beginning to occur, much of which involved juveniles who were aware of the trend via social media. When we saw this begin to occur, we reached out to our community because there's a lot of things that our community can do to prevent these types of incidents from happening. So we worked very diligently through 2003 to reduce the thefts from Kias and Hyundais, but we're still seeing a significant impact. And so that's when we noticed that Hyundai specifically was going around the nation, and they were reaching out to law enforcement agencies, partnering with them and partnering with the communities to do software upgrades that would help prevent these types of thefts. And so we reached out to Hyundai early in 2024 and have been working with them for several months and are glad to have them in our community this weekend. This is a great opportunity for people to prevent these types of thefts of motor vehicles from occurring, and we would encourage anybody in our community to take advantage of this opportunity to, for lack of a better word, to harden the target, to make themselves, to protect themselves from these types of things. And so once again, we're very grateful for the Hyundai Corporation for their partnership. Thank you.
Up next, we have Dave VandeLinde. He is the Vice President of Hyundai.
Thanks. Good morning, everyone. I'm Dave VandeLinde, Vice President for Hyundai Motor America. First, I want to thank Commander Jay O'Neill, Lieutenant Brian Gallagher for putting on this Valley anti-theft event, and acknowledge all the members of the Glendale Police Department and the Valley Hyundai dealers for supporting our customers this Saturday in a no-appointment event to help protect against the theft of Hyundai vehicles by a method that was popularized on social media. Glendale PD's efforts to bring resources like Hyundai to your community highlights the dedication of your law enforcement leaders and elected officials to ensure the safety of the community. As the commander mentioned, in the summer of 2021, Hyundai noticed a sharp increase in the theft rate of our customers' vehicles. These thefts were driven by a social media challenge that encouraged and glorified the theft of our customers' vehicles, leading to a rapid spread of criminal activity across the nation. Hyundai set out first to work on a basic alarm solution, knowing that we needed time to develop a complicated software package. We also had a steering wheel lock distribution program that continues to this day, where we've distributed almost 400,000 steering wheel locks to over 1,000 PDs across the country. Early last year, in February of 23, we launched a software solution for 3.7 million Hyundai vehicles, 2011 through 2021, where you insert a key blade and turn it to start the vehicle. To this day, the 830 Hyundai dealers across the nation are completing about 1,000 of these every day still. Recently, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety published a detailed report on the effectiveness of this software upgrade, highlighting its success in reducing theft rates. We appreciate the detailed published research and the analysis from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's Lost Data Institute, validating and recommending that all Hyundai customers get the software update as soon as possible. Their positive study of real-world Hyundai theft data is encouraging, but obviously our work continues. It continues this Saturday. We have 10 Valley dealers that are all going to be participating in a no appointment necessary event, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. The dealers are Chapman Hyundai, Chapman Scottsdale Hyundai, AutoNation Hyundai Tempe, Larry H. Hyundai Peoria, Camelback Hyundai, Earnhardt in both North Scottsdale and Avondale, Horn Hyundai, Ken Garf in Surprise, and Santan Hyundai. If you can't make it this weekend to the no appointment Saturday, all of those dealers and any dealer across the nation are available to schedule an appointment to have this work done. Hyundai deeply appreciates the partnerships with local PDs, civic and community leaders, and elected officials, because these events would not be possible without their support. And finally, we want to thank the media for your crucial role in informing the public about these clinics. Your coverage has been instrumental in driving traffic to these events, with 60 to 70% of our customers telling us that they learn about the software update from local media and police social media pages. We look forward to this Saturday and supporting all of our customers in the Valley area. For more information, we recommend that everyone go to HyundaiAntiTheft.com. Not only does it have information about the participating dealers in this weekend's event, but also the theft repair method itself. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dave. I think it's really important to note here that this is not just a Glendale problem. This is a problem that all Valley agencies have seen throughout the year. But we are thankful that the Hyundai folks took a proactive approach, and they are helping us do our job as well. We can, as a police department, can only do so much, and having the Hyundai folks with this kind of support and allowing people to come in and make these kind of changes is a great deal of importance for us, as well as anyone who owns one of these vehicles. We can now open the floor to any questions that you might have, or we can also allow for individual interviews, whichever you guys prefer.